A very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about a very new topic which is about minerals. So in the last classes we learnt about rocks, we learnt about the different types of rocks. And today we are going to learn about minerals. So first of all, what are minerals? So minerals are naturally occurring substances that are found in solid state. So which means that minerals are natural substances which occur in the nature on or below the earth's surface, and they are in solid state. So they are natural substances. And these minerals exist in different forms and they have their own chemical properties. So minerals are natural substances which are found in the nature. And there are many examples for minerals like mica, calcite, talc. All these are examples for minerals. And we can differentiate all these minerals based on their shape, size, color, hardness, etc. Now let's see the characteristics or features of minerals. The first one is minerals occur naturally. So as we discussed, minerals are natural substances which are found in the nature and they occur due to natural process. So minerals are natural substances, which means they are not made by human beings, which means they are not man-made. They are natural. They are found in the nature. So the first characteristic or feature of minerals are, the first one, they occur naturally. And the second one is minerals are found in solid state, which means it is not a liquid or gas at the standard temperature. It is in solid state. For example, the sea salt. So the sea salt that we use for cooking, it is a mineral that we get from the earth's surface. And that is a mineral which is found in the solid state. And another example is the diamond. So diamond is also a mineral which is found from below the earth's surface, which is also in solid state, which means that minerals are found in solid state. What is the next characteristic of minerals? The important characteristics of minerals are, this third one is they are made up of non-living substances, which means that these minerals are natural and they are not made from plants, animals, human beings or any living things. They are made of non-living substances. They are not made from plants, animals or any living things. So the three features or the three characteristics of minerals are, the first one, they occur naturally. And what is the second one? The second one is they are found in solid state. And what is the third one? The third one is they are made up of non-living substances. Coming to the next thing is that everything around us is made up of atoms, right? So even these minerals are made up of atoms. So atoms of minerals, when they are arranged in a specific manner, or we can say when they are arranged in an order, we say them as crystals. So crystal is a solid which is having a definite shape and pattern. So what is a crystal? Crystal is a solid which is having a definite shape and pattern. These crystals are formed of pure substance. You know what are pure substance? Pure substances means substances which contain only one kind of atom. So crystals are solid which is having a definite shape and pattern. So we know that all minerals are made up of crystals. So that is why we say minerals are crystalline materials. So minerals are crystalline materials, which means that every mineral is made up of a specific kind of crystal. So every mineral is made up of a specific kind of crystal which is having a definite pattern and shape. For example, you can see the pyrite. Pyrite is a mineral and it is always made up of crystals which are perfect cubes, which means that Pyrite is a mineral which is made up of crystals which is having a definite shape and pattern. So then the next one is, there are some minerals which have impurities. Impurities means sometimes it contains sand, rocks, etc. And first of all these impurities will be cleaned from the minerals. So minerals are crystalline materials, which means they have a definite shape and pattern. Rocks are composed of minerals. So we learned that rocks are composed of minerals. So most of the rocks are composed of one or more minerals. So for example, marble. You know marble is a metamorphic rock. And how marble is formed? You know that when the sedimentary rocks undergoes changes, it undergoes extreme heat and pressure, it changes into metamorphic rock, and that is the marble. And this rock is made up of calcite mineral. And the another example is granite. So granite is an igneous rock and it is made up of quartz and many other minerals. So which means that rocks are composed of minerals. Rocks are composed of one or more minerals. Minerals can be of two types. So we can classify minerals as metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Minerals which contain one or more metals like iron, copper, aluminium, we call them metallic minerals. And minerals which do not contain any metals, we call them non-metallic minerals. And the next thing is about ore. Have you heard about ore? You know what is an ore? Ore is a rock that contains useful metals as well as unwanted substances. You know what are unwanted substances? Unwanted substances like sand, silt, clay. Such rocks we call it as ore. So even iron, aluminium, copper, all these occur as ore. So iron, aluminium, copper, all these occur as ore. And how do we take this ore? We take this ore out of earth by the process of mining. And after that, it is sent to the factories from which metals are extracted. For example, iron ore. From iron ore, the metal iron is extracted. So that is about minerals. Coming to the next one is about gemstones. So there are some minerals which are very precious. So such minerals, we call them as gemstones. So for example, ruby, diamond, topaz, all these are examples for gemstones. So these precious minerals, we call them as gemstones. And most of these minerals are very hard. And one such example is the diamond. Diamond is one of the hardest of all materials. And these precious minerals, you know how do they occur? These precious minerals occur as crystals. They occur as crystals in the earth's surface. They do not occur as a part of rock, but they occur as crystals, which is having a definite pattern and shape. So precious minerals are called as gemstones. And we use these gemstones for many purposes. We use this for making expensive ornaments. So precious minerals are called as gemstones. In page number 65, if you take, you can see 5 questions are given. Tick the statements that are true for all minerals. So let's see the first one. Minerals are natural substances. Are they natural substances? Yes, they are natural substances which are found in the nature. The second one, some minerals such as diamond are man-made. So is it right? No, they are natural. The third one, some minerals are made from animal remains. Is it right? No, because minerals are made only from non-living substances. They are not made from living substances. The fourth one, all minerals are made up of crystals. So what is the answer? It is a true statement because all minerals are made up of crystals which is having a definite pattern and shape. Fifth one, most rocks have minerals. Yes, Most of the rocks are composed of one or more minerals. We are done with the 5th chapter, that is about rocks and minerals. So let's meet in the next class. Till then, thank you.